So imagine you're trying to explain math to a computer, but instead of saying 2 plus 2, you have to teach it how to add. That's where operators in Java come in. They're tiny symbols that let your code do big things, like math, logic, and decision making. Let's dive into the surprisingly powerful world of Java operators, the unsung heroes behind every calculation and condition. In plain English, operators are special symbols or keywords that tell Java to perform a specific operation, like adding numbers, comparing values, or even flipping a true to a false. They might look small, just a plus sign here or an exclamation mark there, but they're doing serious heavy lifting behind the scenes. Let's start with the obvious ones, the arithmetic operators. Plus sign for addition, minus sign for subtraction, asterisk for multiplication, slash for division, and percentage sign for modulo. That's the one that gives you the remainder. It's useful in all kinds of logic, like figuring out if a number is even or odd. They work just like they do on your calculator, but now you're teaching Java to do the math for you. Next up, relational operators. These are like the yes or no questions you ask your code. A double equals sign means is equal to. An exclamation point equals sign means not equal to. A greater than, a less than, a greater than or equal to, and a less than equal to sign mean just as they do in math. These operators are the backbone of every if statement, helping your program decide what to do next. Then we've got logical operators, the ones that combine conditions. Double and sign means and double lines means or. An exclamation point means not. So if you want your code to check multiple things at once, like is the user logged in and is their subscription active, these are your tools. Assignment operators are all about giving values to variables. An equal sign is a basic assignment, like int x is equal to 5. A plus equals sign, a minus equals sign, an asterisk equals sign, a slash equals sign, and a percentage equals sign are all shortcuts, like x plus equals 2 instead of x is equal to x plus 2. It requires less typing and returns the same result. Java likes efficiency. Some operators work with just one value. These are called unary operators. A plus and minus sign for positive and negative values, a double plus sign and a double minus sign for incrementing and decrementing, and an exclamation point for logically not. Basically, it flips true to false and vice versa. At first glance, operators seem just like symbols, but operators are what makes your Java program think, calculate, and decide. Without them, you don't have logic, you don't have math, and you don't have a working loop. Basically, no operators equals no program. They're doing the heavy lifting in your program so that your program can actually do something. So don't underestimate the power of a good double equal sign. Until next time, keep coding and don't forget your semicolons.